Menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ki sangma wala pensyai ba ka jingpynlip bording kha hakaleng ki jaka jong ka jela kentup ka shilong tura berjuai kamde setia ka load shedding hanrei ka jingpynlip balapan bet renti da ka jingtemu ber pyntrei kam ya ka revamped distribution sector scheme RDSS ka ba kandai spa klur dengka nagleng menteri rang ba ulai thu ba kini khandiak sngi baladam ulai yo pediang ki khubor naki pajba alor ke jingpynlip bording kha nagleng chungu ugwa ban pensyai se ki pajba bakani kamde setia ka load shedding kani kade ke jingpynlip balapan bet renti ulong magani ke jingpynlip bording kalong ka pakongsan ban pyntrei kam ya ka scheme RDSS kabadan kam ban bujeli lene pendai arhajar ruspa teli ki transformer batmai bujeli ka wayarem ba lai hajar praspa kilometer ban penia ke lain thamai kumba 100,000 laispa kilometer nagaleng menteri langba ulong magila simkhia bangin penduna ya ke jingpynlip bording bat ulakularu ba kinsa pentip sekipai ba anrai kadon ke jingduna hangni hangtai ha ka ba ka khubor kamsem lapoi sha ki ba nagaleng menteri langba ulakantui ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat katnat bording bakin penjana ya kilat ai jingtip but I kubor sikipat ba halor kini kicing penlip di.
Dear friends, in the recent past, I've been receiving some messages from the public concerned about the frequent shutdowns that are taking place in the power supply in different locations like Shillong, Tura, Jawai, and other locations. And people are concerned why this kind of load shedding is taking place. I wanted to clarify to the people that this is not a load shedding. This is a regulated shutdown, and the main purpose of the shutdown is to implement the RDSS scheme, where close to 2,600 new transformers are being either replaced or being installed. 3,800 kilometers of old wires are being replaced. 4,300 kilometers of new lines are being laid. This is a 900 crore project and implementation is going on. And for that to happen, the shutdown is necessary. We are ensuring that we minimize it, and we're also ensuring that we communicate to the people. But there is a communication gap where the message is not going to the grassroots. And I have requested MECL and Power Department to ensure that a better communication system is done so that information can reach to the people on time. But I just wanted to clarify that this is a necessary procedure. There will be slight inconvenience, but this is being done for the larger interest of more stable power in the future and for the larger interest of the people and the state. Thank you very much.